Missed a package or knock? Answer your door from your phone, whether you're on the couch or across town. Porch visits and deliveries don't wait, and a regular doorbell can't show you who's there or record what happened. Peaden installs video doorbells that fit your home's wiring or that run independently on battery power. Video doorbells connect to your Wi-Fi, give you motion alerts, clear video recordings, and easy app control. Video doorbells work with most standard chimes. They offer two-way talk so you can see and talk with the person at your door, even if you're away from home. Every install is done by a licensed pro. Secure mounts, neat wiring, sealed exterior holes, and a full function test. Plus, we'll walk through how to use your new video doorbell before we go. If you're ready to upgrade your front door experience with a video doorbell, reach out and book an appointment with our electrical team today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.